Karo Mwaura has sadly lost her dad. Na nĩ ũhoro mũritũ mũno na wĩna kĩeha mũno kuona atĩ it was just 2 days ago when she had made a medical appeal to her fans and friends akĩmahoya mamũnyitĩrĩre ndwari-inĩ ya baba wao. She opened up to us on her dad's condition na nĩ aratwĩrĩte atĩ baba wao nĩ kũgwa agũire akiunĩka hip na mbere ĩyo he still had a heart problem, no rĩu thutha wa kunĩka hip it all intensified. Na Karo Mwaura na famĩlĩ yake nĩ marakoretwo makĩhoya ũteithio tondũ ndwari ya baba wao nĩ ĩramatigĩte mahinyĩrĩrĩkĩte mũno financially. Na even yesterday, Karo Mwaura did a live video on her Facebook page kũrĩa ake na famĩlĩ yake mararĩ na baba wao thibitarĩ. Little did they know that that would be the last time they would see him. Na Karo Mwaura agĩtarĩria augĩte shortly after they left the hospital, ndagĩtarĩ nĩ aracokire kũmahũrĩra thimũ and she actually thought the doctor was calling to tell her that everything is well, but sadly the doctor broke the news of her father's death, ũndũ ũrĩa ũramũtigire ahinyĩrĩrĩkĩte ngoro mũno. And this was the message she wrote to her dad. I always may be strong, but it hurts badly as I pen this down. Papa, you are so strong. I've spent time with you. I've laughed with you, Daddy. You have been my true best friend and loving daddy to me and all my siblings. Best hubby to our mother. Papa, today we spent time together and you are so happy not knowing you are to leave this soon. Immediately after we left the hospital, I thought Doc was calling to tell me it is well, but I was so wrong. He broke loose after the new daddy you have left us. Daddy, I miss you already. Your seat is empty, Daddy. What do I tell my children about guka yao? Daddy, thiĩ na thayũ. Daddy, hurũka ũhoro. Daddy, I love you a lot. Sleep with the angels, Papa. Rest in power, Daddy. Daddy, I'm so broken right now, but I promise to do as you asked me to do. Your memory lives long, Papa. Rest in power, Papa. Karo. Woima, with so many crying emojis. Our deepest condolences to Karo Mwaura and her entire family. Ngai aromahe hinya na kũũmĩrĩria cause this is really painful. And then she went on to add, pray for me guys, I'm so broken right now. Na Manyari nĩ amũmĩrĩirie akiuga, may the Lord be your comfort in this trying moment. May his soul rest in peace. Ona Biti wa Maitha, pole honey. May God comfort you and your family. I got you my love, it is well. Na Regina Wanga niwe woye girl. May God be with you and entire family, especially this time. Fare thee well, our daddy, till we meet again. Ona ithui, our deepest condolences to her and her entire family. May God comfort them, grant them strength, and may dad rest in eternal peace. Ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the best and latest Kikuyu celebrity news.